Wa. Wa is pronounced like wa in wasabi. So in English, we'll say wasabi. In Japanese, it's going to be wasabi. Wa is pronounced like wa in wasabi. How to remember wa? This kind of looks like a wasp flying straight up. It looks similar to re, nu, ne, and me. And it looks especially similar to ne. You know ne is Nelly the cat because of the curl of the tail on the end. So you can imagine the cat chasing this wasp, which is why it's flying straight up to get away. Wa. O. O is pronounced like O in origami, just like the vowel O. It used to be pronounced like wo, but now it sounds exactly like O. Wah, yells the guy with no chin. Someone threw a boomerang into his mouth. That's pretty wah-worthy, I think. Note, why two kana for the O sound? Very good question. Unlike O, wo is primarily used as a grammar element called a particle. It marks the object of a sentence. Practice writing wo. 3 strokes, left to right, top to bottom with a little angle, and another angle. It's the only kana that consists of a single consonant. It's pronounced like the ending N sound in pen. Pen. This kana looks just like a lowercase n in English. They happen to be the same sound as well. How convenient. Let's practice reading. Warau. Warau. Warau means to laugh. Warau. Mong. Mong means a gate. Mong. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments. And don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. それではまた。